Okay, Doug here with a quick, completely unsponsored review of just one of those ancillary products that you should have. So I lost the cap on my bumper, and so I do a little Googling and I come up with this Camco Mag Cap. And I'm like, all right, that seems like an easy thing. It's no big deal. But it is so much nicer than the original equipment that was on the trailer, and it's a brand new trailer, because now all you do, the hose is hooked up to the trailer. So I'm just going to use a stunt double here to show you how it hooks up. Here's the new cap. It hooks like this right onto the hose, right? And then you just slide the hose in to your bumper. This attaches magnetically and you're done. Bulletproof done. Super cool. So again, this is not sponsored, but if you're looking for a great way to store your waste hose, click the link below. It's an affiliate link for Amazon. Buy yourself this magnetic Camco Mag Cap and you will be thrilled. If you're not, I don't think it's possible. You're just lying. It's a great product, super easy. Go get it and have fun camping. See you next time.
Hi, Kona. How's it going today? Are you enjoying camping? Are you enjoying your chair? Kona, no paparazzi today? What's happening? You had lots of woofing this morning. You did?